Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix UAE Pass face recognition option is not working. So if you are facing this type of problem with UAE Pass mobile application, then follow these steps that I'm about to show you in this video. So in the first fix, you need to simply clean your camera and use paper lighting. So you need to wipe out your front camera lens with a clean cloth and ensure that you are in a well lit environment without shadows on your face. After that, you need to hold the phone at eye level and keep your face centered. So you can try this method and check if now your face recognition is working or not. In the second method, you need to check whether the Face ID or the face recognition option is available in your phone. Basically, the setting should be enabled. For that, you will have to go to the settings of your device, and here in the settings you just have to simply search for security. Now once you search for security, you need to tap on it, and here you need to make sure that the face recognition option is enabled, and if it is not enabled here, you just have to simply register or re-register with your face. After that, you need to allow UAE Pass to use biometric authentication in app permissions. So in order to go into app permissions, you will have to simply long press on your UAE Pass application, then go to app info. In the app info, you will see the app permissions option. So here you need to make sure that the camera feature is enabled here, and you also need to make sure that the microphone and bunch of other permissions are also available. In the third method, what you can do is, if your issue is still not fixing, you can try to find the update for the application, and if you see the update, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of UAE Pass mobile application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.